is a practice video for Byzantine Dances by Carol Britton Chambers. This is the D part, which will be played by the cellos. So 2 flats for you guys, B flat and E flat to worry about. So all second fingers, you've got low ones on D and A. And you're going to be doing a lot of rhythmic things along with the bass part, along with the violin 3 viola part as well. But let's take it from the beginning with this little short introduction. So B flat, low 1, get that ready to go, and then you'll have to stretch just a little bit to get to that C. All right, so here's the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you're going to start this rhythm with the other instruments like I mentioned. First violins will be taking the melody here. You'll be playing on beat 1, the and of 2, and then beat 4 in 2 measure segments mostly, and then changing pitch. So here we go, starting on our F. Here's measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat. And you just do that for a long time. I'll make sure to cue you guys at 27. 27, the rhythm changes, and you'll be with the whole orchestra. We're in unison rhythmically here. And you're also going to get a chance to shift up and play some new notes here. So third position, put your 1 on your D, and then that E flat will just be a 2. So here's measure 27 and 28, playing syncopated off of beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so coming out of third position, make sure you shift all the way back to a B flat, low 1. And then you had just a little bit of second position, 33 to 34, just to make it easier to get to that A flat. Yes, you could go E flat, and then just move up a little bit to the A flat. But then just play your 1 right where it is for your F natural. So 2 ways to play that, but I would just do the second position right away. All right, then you just do a little bit of snapping, I guess. We'll figure out how that rhythm's going to go and what we're going to do for that later in class. Let's skip over to page 2. This is measure 44, starting on a B flat, low 1. And again, you do have some A flats coming up. We're just going to do those as extensions on the D string. All right, so here's B flat at measure 44, 1, 2. Hold that into the tempo primo with the rest of the orchestra. All right, more hand claps, and then we're going to come back in at 71. For 71, you have an F natural second finger. Then for G flat, just play that as a third finger. Remember the enharmonic for G flat is F sharp, so you're just going to go 2, 3, 3. And then 72 is the same rhythm you were doing back at measure 5, so we'll skip that part. 84 is the same as 27, you know that part, but we do get to do a little bit more third position coming out of it. So let's do 84 to the end. Go ahead and set up your 1, and again you're just doing 1s and 2s here. Here's your D at 84, 2, 3, 4, rest. And then B flat. And we'll do a second bow to crescendo there to the end.